Jiaohe Ancient Ruins, known as the largest and oldest earthen architecture relics in the world, located in the Turpan Basin. This ancient city was founded in the 2nd century BC. It was the capital of Cheshi Front State, one of the 36 kingdoms in the ancient western regions, and also the only city in the world directly excavated from raw earth, with a history of over 2,000 years. Overlooking the ruins from a high place, the urban layout is clearly visible. The central avenue divides the ancient city into east and west districts, with remains of government offices, temples, residences, workshops, and other buildings scattered, as if you can catch a glimpse of the prosperity of this important Silk Road town in the past. Due to the arid climate with little rain, the ruins are exceptionally well preserved, and the remaining walls are full of traces of time. Under the setting sun, the yellow earthen city walls contrast with the blue sky, showing desolate grandeur. This is not only an archaeological miracle, but also a living fossil of Silk Road civilization. Every inch of raw earth tells the story of the ancient western regions. Next, please take your time to explore this profound history that has spanned thousands of years.